Hi, do you know what kind of knowledge you need to acquire to start a successful business? Do you know where to tap when you need to have information? See, this chapter is all about that. In this chapter, we are going to talk about different type of knowledge you need to have. The source of knowledge, the acquisition strategy of knowledge, and how to use the knowledge. And finally, we will do the case study of a company such as Google, Facebook, and Apple to see how they did it. See, what we are discussing in this chapter is something which you cannot find in books or in a business school. This is a very practical knowledge which I have discovered through my own research, through my own experience, after investing 11 years into initiating businesses, into studying different successful businesses. And if you can master the knowledge organization, you can easily able to approach your business successfully. So in this chapter, we will start with from different types to acquisition. Okay, so stay tuned. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next video.